Alright, good afternoon, guys. Damn, what a price action. Like, it literally followed every single pre-planning I did on my X in my group. So, really nice to see that's playing out. Alright, so let's go over price action. So, we're still bullish because we did not break the main market structure, which is this one. This low did not get broken. That's why I longed also here in this model 1 accumulation. And this was the technical target of the Wyckoff. So we're now trying to close above the 1.786 fib. If we don't close above this fib, I'm expecting a rotation to this low, to this high. And there we can look for accumulations, which means for USDT. So wait, let me first go in detail on this one. So we took the high. We took the high on BTC. Is it a nice return to Zan? I want to come in this supply. I want to go a bit higher. So we need to see a bit more price action. For me, there's no model right now. And this also needs to take the low first. If we don't take the low, there's for me no trade. Okay. 1 second. If you guys have questions, let me know in the chat. I will check it. But this can send a bit lower. I posted also today in my X that we have a new range. The range is confirmed. We touched the 0.5. This fib. We touched the fib, and I'm expecting a rotation to this low, make an accumulation, come in the 1 fib, and then we reject. We can also come in this market structure supply, and there you reject, and then we can long here BTC and short BTC here. Let me see what we can do. I'm in a long on Pepe already since since like the 31st of March. I'm already long in Pepe. Like, come on now, just go higher. We also have a long running with ZEC, super nice model. We have a potential fib level where we can reject from. So you can look for, the thing is, you're trading in discounts, so you don't want to short here. You want to look for longs. So I prefer to focus on longs if we get a nice retracement in some demand. Now I'm also still running this long on gold. Yes, you can put your stop loss here, but for me this is more extreme liquidity, and for me this stop loss is super safe. Silver, same thing. Expected a rotation to this demand, and now you see that price came back for demand, had a mitigation, and now you see a move up. Is it because of Trump? It's because of the Wyckoff, and I will show you right now. I will show you a chart. So why is oil going down? Guys, why is oil going down? Because it took the high and you had a low time from distribution. You took the high and here you had a low time from distribution. You see? Nicely in the DL, in the 1.35 fib, and there you see a nice low time from Wyckoff. Looks like a PO3. And now you hit the technical target. Can this go lower? Yes, I think it can go a bit lower. I want to see for this whole chart. So this is US oil against SPX. So if this goes up, then US oil is going to outperform SPX. that's not really good for crypto and for stocks. So you want to go down on this to send crypto higher and stocks higher. So yes, you want to see small rotation going in this demand, and there you make an accumulation like I mentioned here. And there, here markets can go down, but it can also go a bit later, maybe like here. Let's see what we get. What about the FIBs? Let me check it. Now we're respecting the FIBs super nicely. We're not closing above the FIBs, so super chill. Let's go. That's going down. Let's see what we get. It should come to this low. It's more a question in how long. Now, US oil by itself did not take the high, but yeah, we had a distribution on this chart. Now we're going to check some other pairs. So New York Open is right now. Let me see what's going on. For me, this doesn't look like a short. Now, for me, it's super normal that we see a nice reaction in the FIB. Wait, let me put the other FIB. Let me put this one. So for me, it's the best situation if we come in this level, so in the 80K level, because that's the best POI where price can give a reaction. For me, it doesn't make any sense if price doesn't come to this high. So that's what I'm looking for. Now we need to break structure and real 2-day candle close above this high. So can we still go down? Yeah. You can always. Oh, SPX is going up, I think. Yeah, there you go. Damn! Yo! What the fuck? Look at this candle, bro. Damn! Nice. Oh, wow. Look at all the stocks printing. Man, this can be a new range. Let's see. It can be a new range. Yeah, for BTC, I'm not really interested in any shorts. I want to see better price action, and I want to see USDT. I want to see USDT taking the low. Because now we just, we don't have any nice model. And it should come up, let me see. Yeah, it should come up to this, this POI. And there you can see a reaction in the first supply, which is this one. So it should give a reaction here for USDT. Yeah, that's the plan, guys. Is there any question? Let me know in the chat. EVDC. Let me know in the chat. I'm checking the chat right now. So let me know if there's any question. And if it's clear, let me know if it's clear. Let me know if it's clear, the price action. Guys, you see my comment? All right. Let's see. So yeah, that's the plan for now. There's not much more. I will just be patient, and I'll be waiting for nice models to play out. So Bitcoin. Yeah, for me, I don't really like the way how it took the high, and here you didn't take the high. So I really need BTC with this model to take the high for an actual short, pardon. And price can always come back in this demand. But like I told you guys, I'm super bullish for April. My astrology and numerology doesn't lie. Let me see where it is. So I expected BTC to go to 70k and like 2k 150 each on Monday, which we did. Tuesday we did this price action, and now we pumped super nicely into these POIs. I'm expecting a rotation higher where we make a new range for BTC. So this range you can watch for. And for USDT, I already mentioned, this is also a new range. All right, let me know if it's clear. And then I will see you guys next time. All right, perfect.